Just have a seat. Okay. Nicholas Cornelius. We're going to go on the record in 2021 CR 0835 State versus Nicholas Cornelius.
And that's how this roller coaster session wraps up. One defendant heading toward rehabilitation, another given mercy through deferred adjudication, and the courtroom itself ending with a little Star Wars humor from the bench. It's a rare glimpse of humanity inside the system. Serious cases, but real people too. If you found this case as fascinating as we did, make sure to hit like, drop your thoughts in the comments, and subscribe for more jaw-dropping courtroom breakdowns every week. Until next time, stay sharp and stay out of trouble.
Yes, can I have parties announced?
Ron Espinoza for the state.
David McLean for the defense.
And are you Nicholas Cornelius?
Yes.
State you're asking that the motion be withdrawn?
Yes, Judge, we're asking it to be withdrawn and then alter and amended to add MRT and ISP.
We've got no objection to that, Judge.
All right, and does he have a hold?
He has a federal hold, but he also is remanded without bond on the new case. I'm going to file a motion to get a bond on that. I know I need to file that before the court can rule on it. I discussed that with him this morning, just strategically how that was going to affect his federal stuff. But I'll get that filed with the court, and we're going to request a bond on that case. I'm also working with the state. I'm hoping we can maybe get a disposition on that.
All right, because otherwise the new case. Oh, no, I see what the new case is. All right, and is there a reason for withdrawing the motion?
Your Honor, the state's position was that we are having issues with the new number one, and then as for the number twos, I guess I could have contemplated pleading on them, but I didn't.
Okay. All right. Then the court will sign the motion. The court will alter and amend conditions to include MRT and ISP. Can you raise your right hand for me, please? Do you solemnly swear or affirm the testimony you give will be the truth and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Yes, ma'am.
You can lower your hand, state your name for the record.
Nicholas Cornelius.
All right, Mr. Cornelius, you understand that the state is requesting that this motion be withdrawn. Do you understand that?
Yes.
And we were set here today for a contested hearing.
Yes, ma'am.
Do you have any objections, counsel, to the motion being withdrawn?
No, Your Honor.
And Mr. Cornelius, they're asking that your conditions be altered and amended to include MRT and ISP. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
And are you going to follow through with those conditions?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. Is there anything else from either side?
Nothing further, Judge.
All right. We can close the record. Laws have changed, so new things need to be placed up on the record. If you'll give that to
I got it.
Ms. Abrams, please.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you.
Appreciate
Just make a short point.
Yes.
On Edward Valdez, there is no warrant.
Okay.
Have a seat.
All right. Thank you.
Thank you, Judge. Maybe excuse something?
Yes.
Thank you.
Yes,
Court is calling 2025 CR 005795 State versus Linnell Trimble. Can I have parties announced? For the state?
Ron Espinoza for the state.
Danny Callahan, defense.
And are you Mr. Trimble? Counsel, have you received all discovery? Did you review it with your client?
Yes, Your Honor.
Court will find that the state is in compliance with discovery. Am I pronouncing your first name correctly?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. Did you review the application for deferred adjudication with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you review the true bill of indictment with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, do you waive the reading of the indictment?
Yes, Your Honor.
State, are you proceeding on the indictment as presented?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you review the court's admonishments with your attorney, and did you understand it?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand you're charged with evading arrest, detention with the vehicle?
Yes.
That's a third-degree felony. Range of punishment is anywhere from 2 to 10 years in prison and up to $10,000.
This moment's key. The judge is explaining deferred adjudication, a legal deal that lets a defendant avoid a conviction if they follow all court terms. It's like being on probation with your record in limbo. Slip up, and that deferred charge instantly turns into a guilty verdict. Many defendants say yes too quickly here, but would you risk it to dodge a felony on your record?
$1,000 fine. If you have a plea with the state, the court does not have to follow your plea. If for any reason the court does not follow your plea and gives you more than you bargained for, the fact that you entered a plea will not be used against you, and you will be allowed to withdraw your plea. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
You have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call, and the right to remain silent. Did you understand by entering this plea, you're giving up those rights, and did you intend to give up those rights and enter into a plea in this case?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand if the court were to grant your application for deferred adjudication, if for any reason your deferred adjudication were revoked, the court could find you guilty and sentence you up to 10 years in the prison and up to a $10,000 fine?
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, has your client been able to provide you with any defenses?
Yes, Your Honor.
Do you believe he has a rational as well as a factual understanding of the charges against him?
I do, Your Honor.
Do you believe he's currently competent and was legally sane at the time of the offense?
I do, Your Honor.
Mr. Trimble, has anyone threatened you, coerced you, or placed you in fear to get you to enter the plea?
No.
Anyone promised you anything other than the plea?
No, ma'am.
Are you satisfied with the way you've been represented?
Yes, ma'am.
If you're not a U.S. citizen, by entering this plea, you will be deported, denied naturalization, and denied re-entry into the states. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived his right to jury trial. Did you review the plea bargain with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, ma'am.
According to the plea, there's an $800 fine and the state recommends deferred adjudication. Did you understand that to be the plea? Defense?
Yes, Your Honor.
State?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you review the waiver of appeal paragraph with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in both places? By signing that you're waiving your right to appeal, the only items that can be appealed are written pretrial motions that have been filed, heard, and ruled upon by the court. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, are there any such motions?
No, Your Honor.
Outside the agreement, the state is recommending that your deferred adjudication be for a term of 3 years. There be a TAP evaluation, 100 hours of community service restitution, and the driving safety course. Did you understand those were recommendations from the state and the court does not have to follow those recommendations?
Yes,
Then to the offenses charged, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
no contest.
State any evidence.
Yes, Your Honor. State offer states Exhibit 1 in all attachments.
No objection.
State you may be excused. Did you review the waiver and stipulations with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes, ma'am.
Again, did you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call, and the right to remain silent?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand that today the state will be presenting evidence in the form of witnesses' statements and police reports, but most importantly, there'll be no live testimony? Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived and consented to stipulation of testimony and stipulations. Court will accept into evidence states Exhibits 1 and attachments and review the same. After reviewing states Exhibits 1 and attachments, the court will find there is sufficient evidence to find you guilty. The court will defer finding of guilt as you've applied for deferred adjudication. Are you proceeding with sentencing?
Yes, Your Honor.
Anything you wish to say on behalf of your client?
I ask the court to follow the plea agreement, consider his youth, and that no one got hurt in this case, Your Honor.
How old are you?
21.
Why are you doing this?
I was testing a dirt bike that I had just visited.
Well, doesn't a dirt bike imply that it's supposed to be ridden on dirt?
Yeah, the person I was selling it to said he was going to get it registered.
So it wasn't registered?
Oh, yeah.
And then that still doesn't explain why you didn't pull over when they asked you to pull over. If you would have pulled over, guess what? This would have just been a ticket. And now you have a felony. Are you employed?
Yes, ma'am.
Doing what?
I work at Northeast Baptist Hospital.
Okay. How far did you go in school?
Graduated.
Do you have any children?
Oh, man.
And who supports you? Are you living with someone?
Me and my girlfriend.
Does she have any children?
No.
All right, the court is going to sentence you to $800 fine. That will be probated. 3 years deferred adjudication. Proof of employment within 30 days. No employment as a home health care provider or with minors. Field visits 1 time per month for 6 months. Regular reporting by Zoom or in person. Regular random UAs. 100 hours of community service restitution. I'm going to order the driver safety course. Once that's completed, the community service hours will be deemed satisfied. Probation, is there anything else?
Okay.
Is there anything else you need from the court in order to be successful?
No.
Did you review the document entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendants' Rights to Appeal with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it?
Yes, ma'am.
Because this is a plea bargain agreement, because I followed your plea bargain agreement, and because you waived your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, good luck to you. Know better, do better.
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you, Judge.
You're welcome. All right, so on this case. Felony Veterans Treatment Court. You know, this is sort of like Star Wars with Princess Leia Help me, Obi-Wan Kenobi. You're our only hope. So, yes.
So I had a good conversation with defense counsel. Ironically, as you know, Judge Daryl staffs the court and I staff it with him. So there's two of us who make the decision, so to speak. This particular case was reviewed by Daryl and he obviously made his decision, and the defense counsel and the staff actually have asked me if I'm willing to take a look at it
Yes.
and come to my own independent decision.
Yes.
And I told them I would. And so as of right now, I haven't read anything yet. I actually have an MTR on the 290th, about to happen at any moment. But I told them that I would. And so I'm going to go ahead and give them that, call it a review, and kind of make what I anticipate to be the final decision, so to speak, Judge. I just haven't read any of it yet.
So let's do that by 1:30.
Assuming
Oh, it can.
I don't know that I can. I don't know that I can do it, Judge.
Help me, Obi-Wan Kenobi. You're my only hope.
I don't know that I can do it. It depends on how quick my MTR with Ray Martinez goes.
Oh, it's gonna go quick.
I hope
We're gonna
so.
say it goes
Are you gonna
quick.
call him?
No, I know it's gonna go quick. Because and the only reason why I say that is because everybody's in limbo with this.
I hear you.
So it's been trying to find placement for him.
I hear you.
So I know it can be done, Obi-Wan Kenobi.
I'll tell you what, Judge. If you said 2:30, I can do that.
All right, 2:30. Everyone.
Today's courtroom drama brings us two intense cases. One defendant trying to navigate a federal hold, and another facing felony consequences over what started as a simple dirt bike test ride. But this session takes a surprising turn when the judge drops a line straight out of Star Wars. Stay tuned. You're about to see professionalism, patience, and pure courtroom personality collide.
Let's come back at 2:30, and this will be solved by 2:30. He will be on his way to Veterans Treatment Court, and all will be right with the world. All right, thank you.
Thank you, guys.
So I'll see y'all back at 2:30.